Okay, this is the rail buggy. Confiscated a plate. It's all road legal. The master mechanic Don is at the wheel, and I'm wearing my seatbelt. We weren't going to put extra seat in here because nobody wants to ride with us. We're going to go for a test run. We got to get these leaves out of here. Hey, let me put my seatbelt on.
Yeah, I got to stop at my house and grab my wallet.
I got money.
License?
Yeah, no, I got money. I don't have a license. Oh, yes, I do. It's on the back bumper. Anyhow, YouTubers, we did a little more tuning. And normally I don't ride with my brother, but he promised he'd be good. Right there is Project Easy Go with the lift kit and different body on it. We're showing them all out. Anyway, Don hacked off like, I'd say 4 inches off that shifter, which is very nice now. No, we had to get the expert, the Volkswagen expert. Oh, while we're at it, let me shut this thing off. What's the story with these beams on the front ends?
You know, I don't know a lot about it. The torsion stuff.
Yeah, it happened in the 60s.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never had the front end apart. Don, that was the first time I'd seen it.
Anyway, yeah. The Kingpins are the older ones, obviously. Yeah. So the beams on the front of the what do you call them?
Torsion?
They're torsion beams.
Like.
There's torsion plates inside of them.
I said, man, I'm just in time. It looks like you need somebody to drive that thing.
Anyway, these ones are real narrow. And we had to redo the whole front of the frame to fit this fancy aluminum front end on there. But we got to go get some tires, so.
I'll be right back.
So we're road legal. He says, "You got your license?" I said, "Yeah."
Me?
No.
I got some dumpster greases there, so.
All right. Well, it's hey, we got legitimate plate on here and stuff too. So
fucking bunches.
You brought us some munchies, good. This is my
Pop Tarts. I got fucking socks.
Well, you can get on Facebook and see these. Or are you on Facebook? You're not on Facebook. Thank you. I might need some Snickers if we run out of gas or something. Thanks, Mike. Are you going to be following? Stay here so we can call you if, well, anything happens.
Putting the harness on, you must be going to get fucking serious.
I'm wearing a harness. I normally don't ride with that, but
yes.
Anyway, we're legitimate. Toilet, everything's working. Press that tax. Anyway, we still got to put a foot stop in here. Yeah. program pretty quick. The cop was sitting out in his yard when we went by.
Yeah.
He didn't wave, did he?
I waved. He was drinking his beer.
Watch your dad's coming. Oh, here comes John Lefty Sr. right here. Gets with the program. Ain't no doubt about that. Dang. So we already burned the tires off. We're at the tire store now. Need to get some tires.